guys? I'm Solja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I basically created this channel because I had a lot of questions about how to hang up a hammock and different things surrounding the outdoors, like getting outside and things like that. I also noticed there's a lot of apprehensiveness with people regarding coming outside and just how to get the most out of your time when you're outside, right? There's a lot of different elements going on, it's hot, there's bugs, there's the elements. So I created my channel to basically give you guys content where you can learn some tips and tricks all surrounded around relaxation, outdoors, and just how do you make that your life, where basically you can enjoy your time outside and it's no longer a chore or even boring. You can find the treasures in your backyard or even at your local park, and you can just enjoy your time. I'm really looking forward to this journey with you guys. I post videos every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, so definitely check me out every single semana right here on my YouTube channel. What's up, guys? Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to my... What's up, guys? I am Solja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I basically created this channel because I had a lot of questions regarding just how to set up a hammock or how to use some of the equipment, and I feel there's a lot of apprehensiveness for... What's up, guys? What's up, guys? My name is Solja. I am the... Can you just pause it?